In the two upcoming demos, we'll implement filtering and searching on our API. Filtering a collection resource means limiting the collection resource, taking into account a predicate. For example, you may want to return all authors where the main category matches singing. So, we're passing in the field name and the value we want that field to match to make it part of the collection that will be returned. Filters can be quite complex. Searching searches for matching items in a collection based on a predefined set of rules. It often goes beyond filtering. For searching, we don't pass in a field name that should match. We pass in a value to search for, and it's up to the API to decide which fields shall be searched for that value. Often that's done with full text search. For example, we may pass in a search query, signified by search query, and the text to search for, say pirate. The API should then return all resources that have pirate as part of, for example, any string field. So, filtering and searching are different. Filtering allows you to be precise by adding filters until you get exactly the results you want. Searching allows you to go wider. It's used when you don't exactly know which items will be in the collection. You can see an example on screen in which we're searching for any author related to pirate with main category singing. As far as REST is concerned, two things are of importance. First of all, filter and search options are not part of the resource. They are passed through to the API, often via query string parameters, but these parameters are not part of the resource itself. And secondly, for filtering, allow filtering only on fields that are part of the resource. For example, an author resource has a name field. That means that a filter should be on that name field and not on fields like first name or last name that are not part of the resource. Those are part of the underlying entity, and that is of no importance to REST. That also means that, depending on how we design the outer-facing contract, we can choose to offer less granularity in our filter. We cannot filter on first name or last name in this case. Let's implement filtering and searching in the two upcoming demos.